Thank you for our brethren, the church choir. By the grace of God lang po yan nagawa. No? Trivia lang po, bago natin puntahan yung ating susunod na part ng program. Alam niyo po ba na first time ko pong kumanta sa choir. 38 years na po ako nagpapastor. No? I have been a pastor for 38 years. Ngayon lang po ako kumanta. Napakanta ni Sister Rachel. Kasi kailangan, wala pang kulang sa lalaki. No? And even my wife. So I challenge every brethren, ano tayo, no? If you have a talent, render unto the Lord, paggamit niyo po yung mga boses na yan. Now, brethren, we will go to the most important part of our program. For the first part muna, no? Our church anniversary, this is the preaching of the Word of God. And we are so blessed this year, no? Na nakarating ulit ang the pastor of our sending church. He is the pastor of Bethany Baptist Church Makati, no? He is also the president and dean of our Baptist Bible College. Matagal na po siyang nagpapastor, mga kapatid. Our pastor has a passion for mission. Our church has already sent more than 70, no? Missionaries to foreign countries or to other countries, except meron pa yung mga tent maker, no? Meron pa pong mga local pastors. So brethren, please, this is his fourth time to visit our country here in Armenia. Every year na pumunta siya missions conference, but this is the first time na gagawin natin ang mission conference na tayo po yung nag-host. Before, nakikigamit po tayo ng church ng ating mga partnering Armenian churches. But this is the first time na gagawin natin ang World Missions Conference na tayo na po mismo ang nag-host, even the venue. No? So brethren, help me welcome our beloved pastor, Reverend Gerardo G.